Route het hier om en naar voren. I've been digging the garden over. I've got about 2/3 of it done, and I decided to come up this end and start digging here. And look what I found. Parsnips. I wonder if I should plant these again and see what happens. I have a little space over there, because I noticed there was quite a few of them coming up. There's one there, another one there, another one there, another one there. Second season parsnips. I think I'll do that. Dig them up and plant them somewhere else and see what happens. Very difficult to film with one hand and dig at the same time. Yeah. Okay. So there we are. 7 mini parsnips. I'm going to put them next to the garlic and see what they do. I think I've got a little space for them there. But that's very interesting. So there they are. 7 parsnips. This is an experiment. I don't think anything will ever come from it, or we'll get some really sort of monster parsnips disfigured. And these here are my garlic, which I planted late in the fall, and they're just beginning to come up, so they've survived the winter. A few of them there. Some of them haven't come up, but how much garlic does one man need? And here we are, the Opinel garden with the saw blade on it. And we're going to be using it to cut down these old sunchokes, Jerusalem artichokes. It's what's known as a draw saw knife. It cuts when you pull it towards you, and it's very effective. I've used it for cutting the branches when I was pruning my apple trees, and it gives a very nice clean cut It's made in France. You can get it in stainless steel or in carbon steel. And I must say it's got a nice feel in your hand and it's easy to work with. And it's very effective in cutting down things like these stalks of Jerusalem artichokes. So that's the Opinel knife. It's a number 12. This is Jerusalem artichoke, also known as the sunchoke. It's a plant that once you plant, you never need to plant again, because you just leave the smallest bit of tuber in the ground and it'll come back up next year and give you a new plant. They say that the tubers, not like potato tubers, because the carbohydrate is not starch, it's a carbohydrate called inulin. And you know those health food stores, they sell you FOS, which is an inulin based product. What is it, something? Oligosaccharides, fructose oligosaccharides. Yeah. Well, this has got inulin in it, and it's supposed to be very good for diabetics, because it works mostly as a prebiotic, not a probiotic. And it goes down into your stomach, and you can't digest it, and it goes through to your large intestine, where the bacteria there are just rubbing their little hands because they can utilize it. And when they do utilize the inulin, do you know what they produce? Lots of gas. So this is why that instead of being called artichokes, some people have rechristened them Fartichokes, just because this inulin in your large colon produces lots of gases. But they say that it makes a beautiful soup and is really quite healthy for you. So try them at your own risk.